up, Warriors?
Welcome back to Warrior TV.
Starting soon, there are Mindful Mondays on Mondays in Flex.
Did you know that October is the official Hispanic Heritage Month?
So I've heard.
Latinos in Action will be selling snow cones, Mexican treats, and toys in front of the school, both lunches. The sale starts October 7th to the 16th.
Well, do you know what else happens the 7th of the fall month of October? Tickets for the fall musical, High School Musical, starts, and there is even a discount so that everybody can go and enjoy the musical arts.
Speaking of good music, the Fall Orchestra Concert is on October 15th at 7 p.m.
I think orchestra looks pretty good on a resume. Yay!
Do you know what else looks good on it? Sterling Scholars.
It's time to get your applications in. Applications are due on Tuesday, October 15th at 3 p.m.
So make sure to book your application. Speaking of books,
there are fun things going on in the library all month, so stop by for a good time.
But you should probably be quiet in the library.
That'd be so embarrassing if any sound effects started playing.
How you doing?
Good.
I'm doing good.
Being filmed, isn't it?
No?
Yeah.
So how was your day yesterday?
My day was good.
So like, no. wait.
I really gotta go.
Please.
Bye, Dave. I love you.
Okay. Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? That'd be weird.
That's okay.
Oh wait, I heard you found true love though. Where's that coming?
What is that?
Do one of you guys have a camera? You found true love too? That's awesome.
Yeah.
You guys both found true love. She's farting! So how's everyone doing on this fine day?
Pretty great.
What's up, guys?
You broke the nut.
TV asked me.
No.
So how are you guys doing?
What?
You doing good? You like the weather?
Yes, you. I can. You know, it's right there. They're controlling it. It's not like you're like.
Are you guys a
looking
fan
at
of Halloween?
Why are you
You guys like Halloween?
Yeah. Why are you making us on Warrior TV?
it would be really annoying if anyone played sound effects from my backpack.
That would probably be one of my biggest pet peeves.
Hey Warriors, today we're going to be interviewing people about their pet peeves.
What's your pet peeve?
Being asked a question multiple times due to lack of preparation.
This guy's crazy.
What's your pet peeve?
When people eat with their mouth open, bro.
It's valid.
Okay, Kato, what's your pet peeve?
Dude, they just don't stop talking.
That's valid. Okay, Pete, what's your pet peeve?
Is when you don't change your oil and your engine seizes. That's not very good. When Bridger's laughing.
When people chew with their mouth open.
That's valid. That's valid.
Dylan, what's your pet peeve?
Being asked to be on Warrior TV.
Our bad. Can we interview for Warrior TV?
This is what I was warned about.
What's your pet peeve?
This.
Oopsies. Jesse, what's your pet peeve?
Dumb, slow people in the hallways.
Oh, okay. What's your pet peeve?
Students coming in to ask me to do Warrior TV.
Our bad gang. Back to the anchors.
One of my biggest pet peeves is when people tell me I look like freaking Ryan Gosling.
Let's see who the Warriors look like.
What's up, Warriors? Today we're finding your celebrity lookalikes. You already know mine, so let's go find yours.
Oh, I think Davis here looks a lot like Prince Charming. Wouldn't you agree?
Yes.
Hey, Jameson, what celebrity do you look like?
This is like stuff like this is a song Michael Jackson.
Channing Tatum.
Max.
Did you know you kind of look like White Trippie Red?
I didn't know that.
He knows now. Hey, Aslan. You know who you kind of look like?
Who?
Ta-da!
I bet those celebrities went to college.
I hear it's college week at Weber.
Let's see what's going on there.
What's up, Warriors? This week is Utah College Application Week, so we're going to be asking the Warriors where they're planning on going to college.
All right, so what college are you going to go to?
I don't know. I kind of want to go to BYU Hawaii because then I can surf. That or BYU Idaho so I can chill with my cousin. Or just Weber State because it's close by.
Snow College.
And why's that?
I met you there.
Where did you go to college?
Gee, how fortuitous.
Oh, that was really good. That's good timing. There we have it, folks. Weber State because I'm broke.
Weber State.
Solid. Why?
Because all the cool people go there. I just don't know where I want to go to college, that's why.
Weber State. Highly recommend. It's affordable, it's local, and you don't have to pay rent if you don't stay on campus. It's a great school, great programs.
Okay, we just want to know what college you want to go to. Ooh, Burger King School for Wizardry. Yay! That's a good one. Me too. Matching!
So I went to two schools. I went to Laramie County Community College in Wyoming first. Go Golden Eagles. And then I went to University of Providence in Montana. Go Argos.
So what's your name?
Abriel.
All right, and what college do you want to go to?
I want to go to Weber High. No, Weber State. Weber State.
Great.
Look at all these great colleges. Let's send it back to the anchors.
Hey Tubbs, what are you listening to?
California girls.
What are the Warriors listening to?
What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be seeing what type of music y'all listen to. Scotty,
What?
what song are you listening to?
To Summer from Cole. What song you listening to?
What?
What song you listening to?
Trust.
By Brent Fayez.
You told me I could trust you. Don't die.
I'm listening to Two Fast by Sonder. Best song out there. Go listen to it. Oh, it has my heart. It's my little sis right here.
I could trust you. People say I drive too fast, move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as
I hope listening to To You from Greece. It's kind of embarrassing.
Is it sad?
No. It's
Say I drive too fast, move too
Guess mine is not the first.
Back to the anchors.
Well, that's all for now, Warriors.
We'll see you tonight.
At the football game.